Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Ankit Mishra, and I am the student of BSc IT. Initially, I would like to thank my tutor Raju Padhyasa, who has given me this wonderful opportunity to exhibit the presentation in front of you all. So, without getting longer, I would like to start the presentation. So, as you can see, that I'm standing under the heading of printer, and I'm mainly going to discuss about the printer. So, basically, the printer is the hardware output device which is used to print the document. It is used to generate the hard copy and to print the document. The document can be anything. It could be an image, it could be a text, it could be the combination of both. So moving ahead, then when it comes to the types of printer, then basically there are two types of printer: impact printer and the non-impact printer. Impact printer are those in which the printing element directly comes into contact with the physical sheet of the paper, while in the other hand, in the non-impact printer, the printing element doesn't come directly in the physical sheet of the paper. Basically, there is a difference between these two kind of printer based on the technique. The technique which is getting used in the impact printer is the hammer, and because of it, it makes a lot of noise. Even the performance is not well, and the printing quality is not that good. When we talk about the non-impact printer, the performance is well, the printing quality is good, and even it doesn't make a noise. Moving ahead, then here I mentioned some types of impact printer and non-impact printer. And basically today I'll be dealing with the impact printer, and within the impact printer I'll be dealing with the daisy wheel printer and the drum printer. Moving ahead, then daisy wheel printer. Daisy wheel printer is a printing element in which when you look at it from the side, then it seems like a daisy flower. Okay, that's why it has the name of daisy. And when talking about the printing technique, then it consists of a central disc with the spokes radiating out from it. At the end of the spokes, you'll get to see a character which are embossed on it. And basically, the wheel is getting used in this printer. That's why it's called a daisy wheel printer. And talking about the technique, then basically what happened, the wheel rotates, and it rotates until the right character faces the paper. And when the right character faces the paper, the hammer hits the character, and the character leaves its impression on the paper, and this is how it gets printed. So basically, it has 96 character and could print 30 characters per second. Moving ahead, then we have a drum printer. So the drum printer, it's a kind of impact printer, and the core component which is used in this printer is a cylindrical drum, and which is typically made of metal or plastic. In this printer, paper is placed between the hammer and the ribbon. Talking about when you look at the top of the drum, then it seems like undecipherable hieroglyphics, but actually the character are embossed on it. And talking about the technique, then the character strikes the paper as the drum rotates, and the character leaves its impression on the paper, and this is how it gets printed. So here it comes to an end. But before that, I want to say something. I would like to pay a huge respect to all the teachers in this world, irrespective of the places, irrespective of the institute, because teachers are those who are imparting us a valuable thing, which is knowledge, and which is going to be with us till the end of eternity. And I think teaching is not a profession; it's an art, and all the teachers are the artists. So thank you, sir, for nourishing us, for making us better, and for making the most out of us. So here I am done with the presentation, and I hope you like it.